If you're looking to incorporate a highly efficient underflooring heating system with an outstanding acoustic performance, then a combination of ScreedBoard 20 and Fiberphone 8 is the ultimate solution. Starting in one corner, completely cover the whole floor with Fiberphone 8 sheets cut into suit with a sharp knife. Lay the underfloor heating panels 5 to 10 mm away from the wall and fix the heat diffuser plates and heating pipes. Using adjustable packers, lay the ScreedBoard 20 6 to 8 mm away from the wall with the board's tongue facing the wall. Apply a bead of SB adhesive along the board's short edge. Lay the next ScreedBoard and push the boards together using a ScreedBoard fixing bar and club hammer. Continue laying subsequent boards until a cut needs to be made. Cut the ScreedBoard 20 to size using a hand or skill saw with a vacuum dust extractor. Install the cut piece and interlock the boards, making final adjustments using a ScreedBoard pull bar and club hammer. Start the next row with the offcut and continue until the whole floor is covered. Remove the packers and push Yellowphone FS50 acoustic strips into the gap. Fix the skirting board, ensuring it's fully isolated from the floor treatment. Once the system is fully installed, ScreedBoard is able to accept direct application of a number of floor finishes, including carpets, ceramic tiles and wooden floorings. ScreedBoard produces a homogeneous floating layer with outstanding acoustic and underfloor heating performance. A ScreedBoard 20 covered floor will enable the heating system to run more efficiently. ScreedBoard 20 is 6 times more conductive than an acoustic batten system. Four times more conductive than a chipboard finish, and is more conductive than a 75 mm sand and cement screed without the drying time issues. ScreedBoard 20 components and fixing tools. ScreedBoard 20 boards. Fiberphone 8 sheets. Rooted thermal insulation board and diffuser plates. Underfloor heating pipes. ScreedBoard SB adhesive. ScreedBoard fixing batten. ScreedBoard pull bar. Yellowphone FS50 preformed acoustic flanking strips. Hand or skill saw with dust extractor, club hammer. ScreedBoard 20 system benefits. Only 20 mm thick. Excellent underfloor heating and acoustic performance. Suitable for all types of timber and concrete floors. Robust detail, EFT5 and EFT6 compliant. Interlocking edge detail, no need for screws. Accepts direct application of ceramic tiles once primed and other floor finishes. Hard-wearing surface looks and feels like a screed. Easy to cut with a hand or skill saw.